Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing a full backup because installations can erase everything. Make sure the backup restores. Connect to a PC and enable developer options and USB debugging so the tools can communicate. Download the exact ROM and flashing utilities for your phone model and confirm checksums to avoid bricking. Once done, place the device in the required boot mode, fast boot or recovery, so the PC recognizes it. This immediate step gets you into the toolchain and prevents wasted time later. You will now perform the flashing sequence. Unlock the bootloader if the ROM requires it because a locked bootloader blocks writes. Use the recommended command sequence, flash bootloader, then radio vendor system, and finally the boot image to ensure dependencies load in order. During the process, watch for errors and confirm each step returns a success code. If a step fails, stop and diagnose instead of continuing. Make sure drivers remain connected and that you do not interrupt power or USB transfer while riding. You finish by rebooting into the new system and walking through the initial setup. Restore apps and data selectively to avoid reintroducing conflicts. If the phone enters a boot loop, first try wiping cache and then reflash the vendor or firmware components, because missing vendor blobs often cause boot failures. Make sure to capture error messages and a DB or fastboot logs. These codes tell you why the flash failed and guide targeted fixes. Keep them ready if you escalate to community forums or developer tools.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.